Advanced Tech Watch presents the all-new 2026 GAC Trumpchi GS8 Midnight Black, a bold, premium SUV that's redefining luxury and performance in its class. In this section, the viewer is introduced to the vehicle with a strong, engaging opening that highlights the sub's premium identity and sets the tone for the video. Exterior details. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 GS8 is its aggressive and modern exterior design. Finished in a stunning midnight black color, this SUV looks both powerful and elegant. The front fascia features a large, imposing grille with sharp LED headlights that give it a futuristic appearance. The sculpted body lines, wide stance, and stylish alloy wheels make it stand out on the road, giving it a commanding presence similar to high-end luxury SUVs. This section focuses on the outer design, including color, shape, lighting, and overall road presence. Side profile and rear design. Moving to the side profile, the GS8 offers a boxy yet refined silhouette, providing both style and practicality. The large windows, chrome accents, and roof rails add a premium touch, while the aerodynamic shape ensures better efficiency. At the rear, the vertical LED taillights and bold design elements give it a strong and distinctive finish. The rear-mounted spare tire design enhances its rugged SUV character. Here, the viewer gets a detailed look at the side structure and rear styling elements of the vehicle. Interior features. Step inside the 2026 GS8, and you'll experience a cabin designed for comfort and technology. The interior is spacious, offering 3 rows of seating, making it perfect for families or long road trips. Premium leather seats, soft-touch materials, and ambient lighting create a luxurious environment. This section explains cabin comfort, seating arrangement, and the overall luxury feel of the interior. Dashboard technology. The driver-focused cockpit includes a large digital instrument cluster and a high-resolution infotainment screen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The GS8 also comes equipped with advanced features such as wireless charging, a premium sound system, multi-zone climate control, and ventilated seats. The panoramic sunroof adds an open and airy feel to the cabin. This part highlights all modern tech features, infotainment system, and driver convenience technologies. Engine performance. Under the hood, the 2026 GS8 is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, delivering impressive performance and efficiency. Some variants may also include a hybrid powertrain option, providing better fuel economy and reduced emissions. The SUV offers smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and a comfortable ride. This section explains engine specs, driving performance, and fuel efficiency. Safety features. Safety is a top priority in the GS8. It comes with a wide range of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features ensure a safer and more confident driving experience. Here, all safety technologies and driver assistance systems are explained clearly. Price and variance. Now let's talk about pricing in the United States market. The expected starting price for the 2026 GAC Trumpchi GS8 is around $32,000 to $38,000, depending on the trim level and features. Higher-end variants with hybrid technology and additional luxury features could go up to $45,000 or more. In terms of trims, the GS8 is expected to come in multiple variants, including a base model, a mid-level trim, and a top-tier luxury version. This section focuses on cost, affordability, and available models. Final verdict. Overall, the 2026 GAC Trumpchi GS8 Midnight Black is a perfect combination of style, performance, and technology. Its bold design, spacious interior, advanced features, and competitive pricing make it a strong contender in the SUV market. If you're looking for a modern, luxurious, and powerful SUV that offers great value for money, the GS8 is definitely worth considering. This final section summarizes the entire review and gives a strong closing impression.